Konnichiwa everybody, konnichiko. One of my viewers recently saw a video by Tamra of the channel Designs by Jude, and she asked me if it is possible to do such a tailor's hem also in Barbie size and 11.5 inch. Let me know if you ever had the problem that you needed some supplies for dolls and they were not available in any shop and you had to do them yourself. So I accept the challenge here, and let's find out if it is possible to do a tailor's hem in 11.5 inch size. If you don't know what a tailor's hem is, it is a sewing supply, and I'm going to show you a pic of a normal hem, but mine will be a bit different. Mine will rather be like tailor's sausages rather than tailor hams, but you will see it in a minute. I'm Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. I had the problem with the missing correct sewing hem in the last month too. You possibly remember our Frenzy sewing project where I did her shorts, and it would have really been helpful if I had had such a tailor hem. Then it would have made sewing much easier for me. But now I have one, and you see it's the correct size. It fits into 20 shorts. The first idea I had when I thought about these tailor's hems was maybe this shot glass could help me, and this was literally my first try. I put it on the end of my gray fabric and then I made a line. Length is completely up to you. I have used here 12 centimeters, and then I put the glass on the other side of my fabric and then made another rounding, and then I had my first pattern for the sewing hem. And this here is a diameter of 4 centimeters. And for my second hem I used my glue bottle, my normal glue, and it's basically the same idea. So I just put my bottle at the end, and then I made what I got a bit round, and here too, and then I combined it and made a line. I think it was 15-16 centimeters, and that's how I got my second pattern. And it's this little one here. You can fit this one here into armholes. For those of you interested in the measurements of my sewing hem patterns here, it's 2.5 centimeters times 18 centimeters with roundings in the end. So that's what I prepared for you now. I marked here my 2 pieces where I want the seam to be, and now I'm going to sew it together. Here is my finished tailor's hem, still empty. I have to turn the left side out, but this is what it looks like. You can see I have used my machine several times to go around and secure the seam where I want to have it closed. Now let's turn it out, and I'm going to fill it, and then I'll be back. Konnichiko, here's your tailor hem. It is possible to make tailor hems for 11.5 inch dolls. Thanks for the idea and the challenge. Do you have done any sewing supplies yourself because they were not available in any shop? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!